Hey guys, today in this video we are going to review expert option. It's a legit or it's a scam, and you should go with this website or not, and you should go with this website trading or not. My dear friends, we have made lots of research on this website, and after our all research and our all conclusion says there is a problem in this website. And what are the problems? As you can see over here, the video is provided on internet, or you can say YouTube. There is a lots of comments available on YouTube that indicates they are unable to get refund, and one people is saying that there are so many negative reviews about this website, and you can say I withdraw money today, it says paid but I did not get money. And there one more comment is like this, hardest app to get refund, and bro just say scam or not need to. Okay, and there are lots of negative comments about this website. And if we talk about you can say on Trustpilot, as you can see over here, there is also so many negative reviews about this website. And so my conclusion only this: you should not go with this website, or you can say you should not invest any money in this type of websites. And if you really want to try, you can go official, or you can say authorized app, or you can say very popular apps, which is you can say coming in a long time, or you can say which is registered with a long time. Okay, like 90s and like 2000s, like 20 year. And you should go with genuine websites, or you can say genuine platforms. And these type of platforms are, you can say, there is a withdrawal process is delay, and you will face any type of problem, because there is no guarantee about it will work for you or not, and you will get profits or not. So my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money and don't invest any money in this type of websites if your money is very important for you. Okay, and if you don't care about your money, then you can use this product and you can try this product. But my suggestion is only this: you should save your hard-earned money, and if you really want to try, you can invest only 100 or 200 amount, and or you can say only 500. Last amount is 500 INR. And if we talk about in dollars, you can go with last $10. More than $10 investing is, you can say, full option. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: try to avoid this website, or you can say try to avoid these type of platforms. So if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.